Hi. So I am in bed with these amazing, sexy, hot wolves. Look at my baby. Aw, Shizo. Shizo, say hi. Oh, you're making the camera dirty. That's okay. Shizo is so handsome and so beautiful. It's probably as close as I'm gonna get to him. Come here, babe. We were sitting here watching a few programs on TV or Netflix. So we're watching Netflix and chilling. But not like that, I guess. Yeah, and Arrow is over there. There's Arrow. She's wanting to go out to the party, but she can't because there's some cute little dogs, and little dogs like to test big dogs, and Arrow ain't having that. So we're sitting in this really cozy bed. What else can I tell you? It's hot. It's a beautiful day today, though. Yeah, I can only say so many times. I'm running out of content, as you young kids would say. Oh, okay. So, my daughter and I are going to start a channel together. And it's something I've been wanting to do for some time now, but she gets shy and she doesn't like the negative comments that people leave, like haters, like saying just things that you don't need to say. So, we're going to do a contest, and for the people who leave positive comments, we are going to offer you a MacBook Air. And so for all the negative comments, leave your address and I'm going to contact your mother. Actually, I don't know what to do if you leave a negative comment. I'm not threatening you, but leave your mother's phone number and then I can call her and ask her, why are you negative? So sorry I keep saying it's just I'm like a little nervous. And yeah, so instead of I'll say there's gotta be something I can like say to fill in the gaps while I'm thinking. And I'm sure, I guess I can edit this out. Or my daughter is great at editing. I'm not just like, bragging about my daughter, but hey, us mothers brag about our daughters and sons. I don't have one, but I'm sure if I had one, I would be bragging about him. Yes, for sure. But I am having so much fun right now, and I would like to say the name of the lady that she's been so good to me, and you know who you are, and I love you so much. I love both. Oh, I almost said your significant other's name. This is tough. It's tough when you sign an NDA and you want to talk about how miraculous these people are to you. but you can't say their name. Yeah. I'll ask her if I can, like, drop her name here and there. Because she's amazing. And everyone in the world should know. Well, they probably do know about her. I don't even know why I'm trying to do a plug here. Because she's well known. So, again, apologize for the Okay, so each I say, just count them and then let me know, because someone's gonna do it anyways. So we can either making it a drinking game. So, like, every time I say just leave it in the comments below, and I will drink as I'm talking to you. Then you can just, I guess, see me get plastered and probably say some more, and we can make this a series. And then I might become an alcoholic. I almost said it, but I caught myself on that one. So you can't count that one. So I don't know if you or anyone else out there have seen these amazing creatures. I have had the pleasure of taking care of them, and it's been about earlier he had his chest on my boobies, which I don't know, they're a little tiny. Sorry, there's another so, but now he's going for the crotch. It's just so beautiful. I love laying in this bed. You have no idea how, like, satisfying this is. And the other one is just sitting there being so patient. And she's upset because, you know, she's a very social wolf. And I looked up, sorry, oh God, I said again. I'm gonna be so drunk in the next video when you guys tell me how many I said. Okay, so I looked up that, about wolves, and I guess you're not allowed to own a full-blooded wolf. So, they are, I guess there's like they're 80% wolves, and then, like, other percent whatever. More. I'm trying to remember what it was, but it was like some type of husky. So yeah. So know that even though this one at least looks like 100% wolf. So handsome. He's so loving too. Oh my gosh. Here he goes for the boobs. He loves that spot. Going up. He heard a noise. He gets very protective when we're, like, laying down or just chilling, and he hears a noise and he just pops up like, this is my woman. And it's so cute because they